Morning habits that can be harmful. People perform mostly the same actions. This is something like a ritual. Agree, everyone has their own scenario for starting a working day. Did you know that some, so to speak, points that you are used to doing every morning can seriously harm your health? They also reduce tone and lead to fatigue and irritation. Let's look at some of them. So, bad morning habits. 1. A sharp rise from bed on an alarm clock. At the same time, the level of stress hormones in the body rises sharply, which, in turn, contributes to various negative manifestations, pressure drops, changes in the heartbeat mode, and even a surge of aggression. Tip: set an alarm 5 minutes earlier, give yourself some time to stay in bed and get away from sleep. 2. The habit of washing with hot water. This hygiene procedure was also not approved by scientists. They stated that moderately cool water should be washed. But hot water does not tonic, and even dries the skin. 3. Fasting coffee. And this, so beloved by many, a habit that helps to wake up, is also harmful. Doctors claim that it can lead to gastritis and other abnormalities in the digestive system. 4. Thoughts on the bad. Do not start your morning with thoughts of the bad. This will spoil you not only the morning, but the whole next day. Psychologists advise, the best thing you can do is start the morning with your favorite music and good thoughts. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.